Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to show you Samsung Wi-Fi too slow. Don't worry, you can follow this simple guide, easily fix it. So let's begin. First of all, open settings. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down slowly. You can find the general management option. Tap on it. After that, scroll again. Here, look at the reset option or similar name. Click to open it. Once the page is open, scroll down again, find the reset section under multiple options. But you can locate the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings name, tap on it. At the very bottom, you can see reset settings option, click on it. And you have successfully reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After it done, simply reconnect your Wi-Fi. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open quick panel, find the Wi-Fi section, tap on hold it, then go to details page. After that, here you can see all of the Wi-Fi name available. Simply find your exact Wi-Fi name. For example, my Wi-Fi name is this. Simply tap on it, then connect your Wi-Fi again. After your Wi-Fi is connected, this time you can check it work or not. However, if your problem is still, don't worry, maybe update related issue. So check it, your phone update available or not. So go back to home screen, open settings, then go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. This time you can find the software update option. Simply click on it, then tap on check for update and wait to checking the process. If you see any update option available in your phone, simply update it your phone to the latest version. For my phone is already up to date 8.1Y5. Now, however, if your problem is still not be solved, this time you can contact the Wi-Fi network service provider or help center. You can fix this issue. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also share it with your friend.